Oh, hi guys, I'm back again. Have some positive and negative news on this bloody thing. It turns out that there's nothing actually wrong with the motherboard. Turns out that the BIOS revision does not accept my processor. And the only way to find out the bloody BIOS revision is to look at this tiny wee barcode here, and if my camera would focus, the last 4 digits of that 12, I don't know whether it will focus on there. Yeah, the last 4 digits of that 1207 means that the BIOS is too old to accept my i3 processor. Great, I thought, oh, I'll just update the BIOS. Yeah, that's not going to work, because you need a compatible process to update the BIOS. And do you think anybody, any of my friends, any of the local shops, and not even Asus has a workshop in New Zealand to flash a BIOS? So basically, I have to chuck the whole thing. The store I bought it from has kindly offered to exchange it for another model. But now that I know how to find out the bloody BIOS and what technical revision my CPU is, because, bear with me, turns out there's actually 2 versions of the i3 processor. The old one, which was SLBQM, which would have worked with this motherboard, but I so happened to get the later one, the SLBTD, which won't. So I'm very, very disappointed with Asus. This board should not have been advertised as compatible with i3, because it is only, out of the box, it is only compatible with 2 of the 6 processors available. So, and what are you supposed to do if you get this board and you up a creek? You know, if you ain't got mates who've got new computers and can lend you their CPU for an hour to update the BIOS, you're stuffed. So I'm giving you the big finger, Asus. I'll probably not be buying another motherboard off you. I'll probably go with Gigabyte or something like that. This is just crazy. I've wasted 2 weeks of my life on this thing. Well, it's me, Master Gravitron, having a big rant. Signing out.